Hey, what's up? Got another fun kettlebell workout for you today. We're utilizing doubles and we're going to be doing 3 exercises. We're going to be doing single leg deadlifts, 3 on each side, obviously with a bell in each hand. And we're going to come down into alternating 1-arm rows, and we're going to finish up with 5 double cleans. Hold a little bit extra in the rack for bonus. The goal here is going to be able to do all exercises as quickly, safely, and effectively as possible, and then take 1 minute rest and repeat for 3 to 5 rounds. So let's take a look. There you have it. Hopefully I counted all those reps right. A couple notes on the single leg deadlift. I always recommend setting the floating foot down on the ground at the lockout of every rep. Just as kind of a little bit of a reset. No real need to over challenge your balance by keeping that foot off the ground. So by all means, stand up, plant that floating foot, and then sweep it back for your next rep. You'll notice I also changed sides at the top. Again, that's just one option there for you, as opposed to setting the bells down, standing back up, switching feet, going back down. But then again, whatever you need to do to make your reps solid. I'm kind of good at single leg deadlifts, so I can get away with that switch there at the top. All right, that does it for today. Give this workout a try. Hopefully you can catch a little sun in the process, and we'll see you next time.